In this video, we're looking at the Amazfit Band 5 Activity Fitness Tracker. This one has a 1.1 inch full color AMOLED touchscreen. Some of the features included are blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep and stress monitoring, 5 ATM water resistant. And probably the best part about this one is it's going to last about 15 days on typical usage, but it can last up to 25 days if you're using the power saving mode. It also comes in 3 different colors. You've got olive, orange, and the one here is midnight black. And this is going to be one of the most affordable fitness trackers that you can get right now. You'll also be able to get email, messages, social media, calendar, pedometer, GPS, time display, sleep monitor, alarm, multi-sport tracker. It also has voice control, elevation tracker, and it also has a music player. And this one has Alexa built in, so you can ask Alexa questions, get translations, set alarms, timers. You can also create a shopping list or check the weather. It's got 2 built-in custom watch faces and then more than 45 other watch faces that you can download, or you can even use a photo that you took as the watch face. This one can also track your menstrual cycle and ovulation periods as well. It also has 11 sport modes and waterproof up to 5 ATM. I feel like this fitness tracker is very comparable to some others from Fitbit or even the new Halo View that I've tried out recently. The band is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to, but the screen is nice and large, looks really good, and is easy to navigate. The mobile app also seems to have just about everything you would need to track your fitness details, and from what I can tell, the accuracy on this one seems very comparable to others that I've tested. If you're thinking of getting a fitness tracker with a lot of features of those more expensive ones, this really affordable one with a nice and large color display by Amazfit is definitely one you should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.